Hi, this is Dawn Thomas, owner of SiliconValleyandBeyond.com and MoveToTheBeach.com. Here's step 3 of the home selling process. The home selling process. Step 3. Let the world know and the offers will flow. Finally, after all of the preparation, your home is ready to go live onto the multiple listing service. Now that it's officially for sale, we will begin getting requests from agents to show your property to their clients. Your property will be listed on sites like Zillow, Trulia, Redfin, Realtor.com, and hundreds more. During showings and open house events, it is important that your home looks like it does in the photos. There will be numerous agents bringing their motivated buyers to see your property on a daily basis. We will give you a checklist for showings to make it easy. The MLS activity and number of private showings that occur during the first 7 days of your home being available for sale to the public is indicative of how well the property has been priced. Showing activity is a direct result of how your property is presented and how it's priced. Buyers vote with their feet. What this means is, if we're not getting showings, that means the buyers have clearly communicated that the property is likely not presented well, or more importantly, not priced well. We will track these key metrics closely and, along with feedback from other realtors, determine if we need to make any adjustments or if we should set an offer date. The first offer is in. This is great news. I will present every offer to you and review it point by point. Although ultimately, which offer you choose to accept is your decision. I will offer my insights and expertise to help you understand the nuances of each offer so you can make the best decision for you and your family. These include price, numbers of days to close, down payments, contingencies, and more. Essentially, I will give you the pros and cons of each offer that we receive. It is possible that even though you've received an offer, there are conditions that are not acceptable or don't work for you. It is my job as your fiduciary and expert negotiator to negotiate through the terms, and I have a saying: the power in negotiation is the ability to walk away. The skill is the never having to. Please think of an offer as sometimes the beginning of a conversation, and we just keep going. You'll find all of this information and so much more at our resourceful website, SiliconValleyandBeyond.com, under the Sell tab. So let's move on to the next step.